Well, my name is Brandon Deeg, and today I will be teaching you how to use table of contents in Google Documents. So first, what you're going to want to do is create a new document, or if you already own one, do that. Then you will want to go to these tabs up here and go to Insert. And you want to go all the way down to Table of Contents. And there's two types of Table of Contents. There's one with numbers, with the page numbers, or there's the ones with blue links. Today, I'm just going to be teaching you blue links. All it really is this separates it by page numbers, and this separates it just by the pages, and it hyperlinks each page to these. Okay, so this will pop up. It will say Add Headings, Format, Paragraph Style, and they will appear in your table of contents. So what this means, you can delete this if you'd like. What all that means is, if you go down to the next page, you can do this by pressing Control and then Enter at the same time, and you can go down the next page. All you have to do is just change the text style, heading 1, type whatever you want in there, and it should, if you press the Update Table of Contents button, it should, hold on, sorry about that. It should end up being there, but for some reason it is not. Hold on, sorry about that. Oh, technical difficulties. There we go. Sorry about that. All I really did was just go press on Format and then go to Paragraph Styles, if you could keep up. Sorry about that. And then Heading 1, Apply Heading. Apply Heading 1. All this does is just makes it to where you can press Reload and it should pop up like that. And then if you go down to even the next page, number 2, you can go back to here and reload, and it should pop up right underneath. And if you press on the link that it shows, it will bring it to the next page. And that is how you use table of contents in your Google Documents. Thank you, and have a nice day.